One of the most powerful features of Canvas is the ability to integrate with third-party applications using the Canvas API. These integrations allow apps to talk to Canvas in a variety of ways. For example, the API allows apps to create new students, retrieve student submissions, create quizzes, sync grades, etc. If you are a Canvas administrator of a school who is working with a vendor who supports integration through the Canvas API, you'll have to configure the integration through developer keys. The developer keys are essentially a set of credentials that gives an application access to your Canvas environment. If you need to create developer keys, you can do so by first logging into your Canvas domain with your administrator account, which I have already done. Next, confirm that you are an administrator by checking to see if you have this admin function on the sidebar. Next, click on the admin button in the sidebar and choose which school or account you want the application to access. Once chosen, select Developer Keys from the expanded sidebar. Next, click on the Add Developer Key button. Since we're covering API integrations, select API Key. The LTI key option is to create keys for LTI-enabled apps. In this window, you'll see several fields which are used to configure the developer key. The key name field will be whatever you want to call the integration. This name will appear when a user authorizes the external application to access their Canvas account. Owner email. This field is designed to help you keep note of the person or company that you are sharing the key with. Note that the entered address does not affect who can access the key. Redirect URIs. This is the location that Canvas will send the user to once the app has been successfully authorized. If you don't know what the redirect URIs are for this application, reach out to the account manager or integration specialist that you are working with. Redirect URI legacy and vendor code can be safely ignored as they've been deprecated. Icon URL. This is a link to an image that represents the application you are integrating with. And notes are additional comments that you feel are necessary for record keeping. Entered notes do not affect the key. You can also enforce scopes when creating the developer key. These scopes restrict what an external app can access. If Enforce Scopes is selected, you must manually select which endpoints you want the application to access. Be careful when selecting scopes. Canvas offers hundreds of features, and selecting the wrong features might grant an inappropriate level of access, or prevent the application from having the access it actually needs. When you're done, select Save, and you'll be brought back to the Developer Key menu. Here, switch the state to On to activate the key. Once the key is made, you can view the developer key ID here. If you select Show Key underneath the ID, you'll see the developer key secret. Now that the key is made, you'll have to send the key ID and secret over to the app's developer. However, you should do this securely. Developer keys are very powerful, and you could expose your Canvas data to malicious actors if not protected. It's always a good idea to only share these keys through secure web forms, or through specific key sharing tools like Keybase. If you ever have reason to believe that your keys have been compromised, you should delete the key by selecting this trash icon next to the key. You should then generate another key and share it with the app developer in a secure manner. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more about API integrations, check out Edlink. We have experience integrating various types of applications with Canvas and other learning management systems. You can email us at accounts@ed.link or check out the links in the description below.